Good evening, class 7th. Now I will continue with stored energy. In my first video, I will discuss about the energy in action. Now I am going to discuss about the stored energy. What are stored energies? For example, the first one is chemical energy. Okay, energy is hidden in atoms or molecules of elements and compounds. A part of energy get released when compound undergo a chemical change. In most cases, when two or more elements or substances combine, they store energy in them. In some cases, two or more chemicals react to give out energy. Okay, this energy is used by man as chemical energy. The main source of chemical energy: food, fuel, electrical cells, explosives, atomic or nuclear energy. Okay, for example, I can give you a very good example as sun is a continuous form of energy. Continuous reactions are taking in it, so it is also a very good example of chemical energy. Okay, green plants, via photosynthesis, they make their food, right? So they are also using chemical energy. Now, human beings and animals eat food and get energy. Animal work with the help of energy from food. Okay, whatever food you take, it get converted into energy. Then only you use that energy to do your work. Okay. Next is magnetic energy. Magnetism is also a form of energy. It can be used to lift and move heavy pellets of iron. It is related to electrical energy. Magnets are used in electric motors which run fan and other machines. Okay, magnetic energy is used with the combination of electrical energy to lift heavy pallets or heavy things which is not capable with the human being. Okay, now next is atomic or nuclear energy. You know that some heavier elements like uranium, radium, thorium, etc. are unstable in nature. These are highly reactive elements and they are very unstable in nature. Okay, in order to become stable, the heavier elements split into lighter nuclei with the release of energy. While releasing energy, they got splitted out, and this energy is called atomic or nuclear energy. Okay, nowadays this energy is used in nuclear weapons such as atom bomb, hydrogen bomb. During the Second World War, that was held in 1939 to 45, USA used the atom bomb against Japan. Nagasaki and Hiroshima, if you remember that two places which are where atomic bombs are used, and that was not a very good thing because so many peoples get hurt in that incident, and still Japan is suffering from that thing. Okay, so that was not a very quite impressive step taken by USA government, I think so. Okay, now here see the a form of chart is given over here. Okay, so the first is, see here, energy. What is energy? Ability of an object to do work. Okay, the energy. Now form and kinds. There are two forms: kinetic energy, potential energy. Now potential energy is of two forms: gravitational potential energy and elastic potential energy. Now the other forms of energy are energy in action and stored energy. Now energy in action: heat energy, light, sound, electrical, and stored energy: chemical, magnetic, atomic or nuclear energy. Okay, this is a very good chart. If you go through it, you will understand the things which I have taught you. Okay, now next is transformation of energy. I will discuss this thing in my next video. Okay, thank you everyone.